with highest honors, Herr Farrell Atrax. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, Ma'am Ina. Good day to everyone. To our ever-supportive SPTA President, Mr. Americo M. Armando. To the Committee on Education of Barangay Caigdal, Kagawad Yerling Motar. To our Principal 3, Dr. Peter Andrew G. Rihensha. To our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Ruth Bison. To our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Jose Mumar P. Veluz. And to our guest speaker, Ana Rose A. Castillo. And to our visitors, teachers, parents, and to my fellow graduates, good morning. Today is not just a simple ceremony. It is the moment we once dreamed of, prayed for, and worked so hard to reach. This is the result of our sacrifices and efforts. There were days when we felt tired and overwhelmed, but despite of everything, we chose to continue. We chose to fight and never give up. And now, here we are, strong, prepared, and full of hope. As Filipino graduates, we are called to lead with integrity, compassion, and courage. The path ahead may not be easy, but we carry the strength of everything we have gone through. To our parents, thank you very much. You guided us, inspired us, and helped us become who we are today. To our parents and families, this achievement is for you. Thank you for your sacrifices, your love, and your support. And to my fellow graduates, as we step into a new chapter of our lives, let us not be afraid of the unknown. Instead, let us embrace it with courage. Baunin natin ang mga alaala at huwag sana natin kalimutan kung saan tayo nagmula. Congratulations, Class of 2026! Patayon, mabuhay at patuloy na mangarap. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Saisi. That was a heartfelt message. May your batch really grow more and